Accountancy Smackdown Theory versus Tech. Hey there, fellow number nerds. Tonight, we're diving into the thrilling world of accounting. Okay, maybe not thrilling, but stick with me. We're talking about a clash of titans: accounting theory versus technology. Think of it like this. Accounting theory is the wise old sage, whispering rules and principles accumulated over centuries. Technology, on the other hand, is the hyperactive kid with a smartphone, constantly finding new ways to do things faster, flashier, and sometimes, let's be honest, a little glitchy. So, who will win this epic battle for the soul of accounting? Will ancient wisdom prevail, or will silicon reign supreme? Buckle up, buttercups, because we're about to find out. Ancient history accounting before ones and zeros. Before we can understand this epic showdown, we need to take a trip back in time. Imagine a world without spreadsheets, calculators, or even electricity. It's enough to make you weep into your abacus, isn't it? Believe it or not, people have been keeping track of money, or sheep, or whatever they bartered with back then, for millennia. Ancient civilizations used clay tablets, papyrus scrolls, and even knotted strings to record transactions. Talk about low tech. But even without fancy gadgets, these early accountants understood the basic principles of accounting. Track your income, track your expenses, and hope you end up with more of the former than the latter. Revolutionary, right? Accounting 101, the theory behind the spreadsheet. Fast forward a few thousand years and accounting theory has evolved into a complex system of rules and principles. Don't worry, this isn't a lecture. We're just going to skim the surface here. Think of accounting theory as the bedrock of the financial world. It provides a framework for recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions. It's like grammar for money, ensuring everyone speaks the same language, even if that language is occasionally sleep-inducing. Key principles include things like double-entry bookkeeping, every transaction affects at least two accounts, accrual accounting, recording revenue when earned, not necessarily when cash changes hands, and going concern, assuming a business will continue to operate unless there's strong evidence to the contrary. Exciting stuff, right? Silicon Valley to Wall Street tech takes on finance. Now let's talk about the elephant in the server room: technology. Over the past few decades, technology has revolutionized every aspect of our lives, and accounting is no exception. From basic spreadsheets to sophisticated accounting software, technology has automated countless tasks, freeing up accountants to focus on more strategic and hopefully more stimulating work. But technology's influence goes far beyond automating tedious tasks. It's also transforming the way financial data is collected, analyzed, and used to make decisions. Big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing are just a few of the technologies poised to reshape the accounting landscape. Section 5. When worlds collide. How tech transforms accounting. So how does technology actually impact accounting theory? Well, in many ways, it's like adding rocket fuel to a horse-drawn carriage. On one hand, technology makes it easier than ever to apply accounting principles. Spreadsheets and accounting software can automatically perform complex calculations, reducing the risk of human error. They can also generate reports and financial statements with the click of a button, saving accountants countless hours of tedious work. On the other hand, technology is also creating new challenges for accounting theory. For example, the rise of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is forcing accountants to grapple with new and complex accounting issues. It's like trying to fit square pegs into a centuries-old abacus. Section 6. Real talk. Tech in action, from taxes to trading. Let's get real for a minute. Technology is transforming every aspect of our lives, and the world of finance and accounting is no exception. How is technology actually being used in the accounting world? It's more than just spreadsheets and calculators. Well, buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. The advancements are nothing short of revolutionary. Take tax preparation, for example. What used to be a tedious manual process has now become streamlined and efficient. Remember the days of painstakingly filling out paper forms? It was time-consuming and prone to errors. Yeah, those days are long gone. Thanks to technology, we can now say goodbye to those paper mountains. Today, tax software can import your financial data with just a few clicks, automatically calculate your tax liability with precision, and even file your return electronically. Or how about auditing? This field has seen a massive transformation as well. Auditing used to involve sifting through mountains of paper documents, a process that was both time-consuming and exhausting. Now auditors are using data analytics tools to analyze massive data sets, identify anomalies with greater accuracy, and assess risk more efficiently. These tools provide insights that were previously unimaginable. It's like having a digital bloodhound sniffing out accounting irregularities, making the process faster and more reliable. And then there's the world of finance. This sector has been completely revolutionized by technology. Algorithmic trading systems are now making millions of trades per second, a feat that was once unimaginable, using complex algorithms to analyze market data in real time and execute trades at lightning speed. This has changed the landscape of trading forever. It's enough to make your head spin, and your portfolio potentially grow or shrink exponentially. The future of finance and accounting is here, and it's powered by technology. Section 7. The good, the bad, and the glitchy pros and cons of tech. Like a double-entry bookkeeping system, every technological advancement comes with its own set of debits and credits. Each innovation brings both benefits and challenges that must be carefully balanced. Let's weigh the pros and cons of tech in accounting. Understanding these can help businesses make informed decisions about integrating new technologies. On the plus side, technology has made accounting more efficient, accurate, and accessible than ever before. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes, thanks to advanced software and automation tools. It's also created new opportunities for accountants to provide higher-value services, such as data analysis and financial consulting. These services can offer deeper insights and strategic advice to clients, enhancing their business decisions. However, technology also has its downsides. The rapid pace of change can be overwhelming, and staying updated with the latest tools requires continuous learning and adaptation. One major concern is the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. Cybersecurity threats are ever present, and a single breach can have devastating consequences for a business. With so much sensitive financial information stored digitally, protecting that data is paramount. Companies must invest in robust security measures to safeguard their information. Another issue is the potential for job displacement. As technology automates more accounting tasks, there is a growing concern that human accountants may become less necessary. As technology automates more accounting tasks, some fear that accountants will become obsolete. However, this perspective overlooks the evolving role of accountants in a tech-driven world. However, others argue that technology will simply free up accountants to focus on more strategic work. By automating routine tasks, accountants can dedicate more time to complex problem-solving and strategic planning, ultimately adding more value to their organizations. Section 8. Crystal Ball. Time. The future of accounting in a digital world. As we peer into the crystal ball, we see a landscape that is rapidly evolving, driven by technological advancements and changing economic conditions. Now, for the million-dollar question, or should we say the billion-dollar question given the state of the economy, what does the future hold for accounting in a digital world? The answer is complex, but exciting. Predicting the future is a fool's game, but here are a few trends to watch. These trends are not just predictions, they are already beginning to shape the industry. Expect to see even more automation in the accounting world, with technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning playing an even bigger role. These technologies are set to revolutionize how we handle financial data and processes. The amount of financial data is exploding, creating both challenges and opportunities for accountants. Managing this data efficiently will be crucial for success. Those who can effectively analyze and interpret this data will be in high demand. Skills in data analytics and interpretation will become invaluable. Some experts believe that artificial intelligence could eventually replace human accountants altogether. This raises questions about the future role of human professionals in the industry. However, others argue that accounting requires human judgment and intuition that machines can't replicate yet. The human element in accounting is irreplaceable, at least for now, and will continue to be essential in making nuanced decisions. Section 9. So, who wins, theory or technology? So after all that, who emerges victorious in this epic showdown? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. It's not really a battle between theory and technology, but rather a symbiotic relationship. Technology can't replace accounting theory, but it can certainly enhance and transform it. Think of it like this. Theory provides the foundation, while technology provides the tools to build upon that foundation. Section 10, the real winner? Accountants, probably. In the end, the real winners in this digital transformation will be the accountants who can adapt and evolve. Those who embrace technology, develop new skills, and focus on providing higher value services will be well positioned for success. So, if you're an accountant feeling a little anxious about the future, don't panic. Embrace the change, learn new skills, and remember, even in a world of algorithms and artificial intelligence, human judgment and expertise will always be valuable. Section 11. Disclaimer, don't blame me for your next audit, and that's the story of accounting theory versus technology. Hopefully you found it slightly less painful than a root canal. Just remember, this is just a brief overview. The actual world of accounting is far more complex and potentially more boring than we could ever cover in one short essay. And one last thing, I'm not a certified accountant, so please don't take any of this as financial advice. If you have any real accounting questions, consult a qualified professional or maybe just Google it. Don't blame me if the IRS comes knocking.